Hello guys, it's Otaki once again. Guys, subscribe the channel before I started, which is I have a link that it is lifesaver for you guys. I guess you are always checking of AI agents, the trending of AI and so on, and like frustrated how to get that AI agents ready and how to get the resources or so on. So I have a link, getting all this in one link. It depends on the work, depends on the agentic work that you need to do, which is to integrate it and so on. So all what you need to do is just copy paste the link here, which is skills.sh, which is reversal one. So here guys, you will find skills, everything that you need to do as agentic AI. You can have the skill creator, UX Pro Max, agentic tools, like you want to apply for it, you want to have it, how to get it, how to receive it, how to install it, all the thing that you can go through it, and copy editing, social content, canvas design and so on. It's all guys for you as a single website. You can have everything that you need to do and to test as AI Agentics works. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.